Scene opens in a bright, modern kitchen. A tray of ladyfingers, a bowl of mascarpone, and a coffee pot are laid out on the counter. Eleanor is tying on an apron, and Sophie is scrolling through a recipe on her phone.
Right then, Sophie. Are you ready to tackle the ultimate Italian dessert? Let's get our hands dirty with a proper tiramisu. Put that phone away and zero in on the task at hand. Ready as I'll ever be, Mom. I've always wanted to master this. It seems a bit intricate, though. All those layers. One wrong move and it's a total flop. Nonsense. It's all about the preparation. We'll go through it step by step. First, we need to get the coffee ready. Make sure it's strong. It's the linchpin of the whole flavor profile. Just a little espresso, and then we'll let it cool down. Got it. Do I need to add sugar to the coffee? The recipe is a bit vague about that part. Not at this stage, no. We'll sweeten the mascarpone later. Now, let's get on with the egg whites. They need to be whisked until they form stiff peaks. It's arduous work, so you'd better brace yourself for a bit of a workout. Oh, this is going to take a while, isn't it? I could just use the electric mixer. It would be a lot faster. Not so fast, young lady. The manual whisking is a rite of passage. It teaches you to appreciate the process. Plus, it gives you a feel for the right consistency. It's crucial not to overdo it and end up with scrambled eggs. Okay, you've convinced me. This is definitely more difficult than it looks. I'm a little worried I'll mess it up. You'll do fine. Just keep at it. Look, it's starting to come together. Once you see those little peaks, you're on the right track. See? They're really firming up. Wow, you were right. This is actually kind of satisfying. What's the next step after this? Once that's done, we'll gently fold in the sweetened mascarpone. Remember, the key is to be gentle. We don't want to knock the air out of them. It's a bit of a delicate balancing act. After that, we can finally get down to the layering. It's the most rewarding part, I promise.
Learning points from the dialogue. Intermediate and advanced vocabulary. Intricate. Very complicated or detailed. Flop. A complete failure. Linchpin. A person or thing vital to an enterprise or organization. Here, the coffee is essential to the recipe. Vague. Unclear or imprecise. Arduous. Involving or requiring strenuous effort. Difficult and tiring. Rite of passage. A ceremony or event marking an important stage in someone's life. Consistency. The way a substance holds together. Its thickness or firmness. Delicate balancing act. A situation where one must maintain a careful equilibrium between two opposing elements. Rewarding. Providing satisfaction. Gratifying. Phrasal verbs. Tackle. To deal with something difficult. Get our hands dirty. To do hard or unpleasant work. Zero in on. To focus all attention on something. Go through. To examine something or perform a task in a methodical way. Cool down. To become less hot. Brace yourself. To prepare for something difficult or unpleasant. Take a while. To take a long time. Mess up. To do something incorrectly or spoil something. Keep at it. To continue working on something. Come together. To form or unite. To begin to take shape. Firming up. Becoming more solid or stable. Fold in. To mix an ingredient into a mixture by gently turning it over. Knock the air out of. To lose lightness or volume, often from overmixing. Get down to. To begin to deal with something seriously. Real-life expressions. Right then, a common phrase used to start a task or discussion. Ready as I'll ever be. A humorous way of saying you're ready, but a little nervous. Nonsense. That's not true. I disagree. Got it. A quick way to say you understand. Not so fast, young lady. You've convinced me. A phrase used when someone changes your mind. You'll do fine. A reassuring phrase. What's the next step after this? A natural question when learning a process.